Hello, busy mom. How are you? You are in the kitchen with Deb, and I am your personal kitchen consultant. And today, I am going to tell you how a huge family throws a budget-friendly party. And yes, I mean budget-friendly. Because when you've got a big family, and you've got 50 to 75 people or even more in one space at one time, you know parties get expensive. Now, do you want to throw a budget-friendly party? Do you want to save money on your party? Because if you do, then this is the video you definitely want to see, because I'm going to tell you all the family's secret tips and tricks. Now, my husband comes from a huge family, and whenever we get together, I mean, there's a lot of us, nieces, nephews, grandkids, the aunts, their kids, and their kids have kids, and it's huge. And what they did, and what we've done in the past, is at one of the parties, we sat down and we discussed the next party, which coincidentally actually was 4th of July. We're like, this is getting to be really expensive. We need to start cutting costs. So, we came up with a plan that everybody contributes to the party. And that's where that's going to help you. If people start contributing to your party, especially if you've got a huge family, aunts, uncles, relatives, all that, everybody does just a little bit at every party, it's going to save a lot of money. A lot of money, and I'm not kidding you. And here's what we did. Now, there's big items like the buffet tables. Offhand, I don't know what they cost. Maybe $30. I can't think right now because I've had mine for so long. I don't even know. And we use it all the time. And it's portable. Like you fold it up. It's got a handle on it. You take it with you. Now, when we were discussing this at Christmas, we decided we know we need at least 4 buffet tables, at least. So what we did was, we said, who wants to buy? Each family's, pick a family, somebody's going to raise their hand. Who wants to chip in and buy the folding tables so that we always have it and you could bring it with you for the party? So then 4 families raised their hand. So they bought the folding tables, the buffet tables. So now, every time there's a graduation, a birthday, a 4th of July party, like the one we're planning now, and we've been planning, and you've been planning with me, because you've got your invites in, you got your food menu, you've got your budget plan, you got your decorations, your games. We've all done all that. We've got everything pretty set in place. So now we're going to really get down nitty-gritty after, we even did the delegation. Do you remember that? How you delegate the chores at your party? So anyway, this one is getting to the nitty-gritty of really getting the party down pat. So, we've got the 4 families that said, yes, I'll buy the folding tables and I'll always have it and always bring it. So they bring it to every party. You've got folding chairs. Okay, I need 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's just say I need 10 folding chairs because I have some already. First of all, who has folding chairs that you can bring to a party? Somebody raised their hand. I have a card table with 4 chairs. That person's bringing that to the party all the time. That's how we did that. Whoever had folding chairs. Now, if we didn't have, say we needed 10 extra folding chairs and nobody had them, instead of renting them, it's like, okay, who wants to go out and buy 2 chairs? And we need 5 people to buy 2 chairs. One person agreed to bring 4 chairs. The other one said, okay, I'll match it, I'll do the 4 too. The other one said, I'll get the 2. So that's 10 chairs right there. They bring the chairs to the party. Sometimes a lot of these people even drop it off the day before the party, which really helps. It's a blessing, especially when you're throwing the party. Just to have them come early and bring it and whatever, and help, it just helps. Now, with my husband's family, I knew we needed a coffee pot. I don't care whether it's summer or winter, we have to have a coffee pot. At least two, one with decaf, one with regular. And the coffee pot I have is a 30-cup coffee pot. That goes with me. And somebody else brings the other coffee pot. So that works out very well because whenever we have cake or any desserts, I don't care how hot it is, somebody wants coffee. So I always bring the coffee pot. Now, you could have another family buy an iced tea pitcher. Now that is nice to have. You got a nice thing of iced tea and you got the little spout at the bottom. You just put your cup under and it comes right out. That's a blessing too. That helps at parties too. Now, there's people that bring crock pots. Oh, hey, I know you're going to need an extra crock pot. What are you making it? Do you need it? Whatever. I'll either go to the house and pick it up when I'm out running around or a little bit before the party, a couple days or whatever, a week before. Or they bring it with them. Because if you're only reheating, you want to keep it warm, you want to keep it in the crock pot. That works too. Now, there's always a family that has a lot of kids. Now, that family usually brings a slip and slide for the kids. So the kids are having fun to keep them occupied. Now, another family will bring disposable plates, the dinner plates and the dessert plates, and the solo cups. And they always buy that and bring that. Another family brings cups, utensils, and napkins. So, if you are throwing that huge party, you've got all that covered already. Your main concern, if you're hosting, is the food. Like when I'm hosting, and I tell them, bring the stuff with you, blah, 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 the whole family's getting together. My main concern is getting everything set up. I've got everybody invited. I've got the food menu planned out. I got to clean. But my main concern is my biggest expense is going to be the food. And they do help out with that. And then there's even another family where they always buy the Sterno buffet kit so that we have it on the buffet table. They pitch in and they buy that. And then there's another family that comes in with the Sterno fuel. And we always need a 12-pack of Sterno fuel. Always. Sometimes we just buy the 24-pack and they say, okay, whoever's going to have it, when we're at my 4th of July party, I remember they bought the 24-pack of the Sterno fuel. And I only used 12, I only think I used 8 that time. So the rest of it, I said, okay, you're having a party next. I'm going to give this to you. You could take this home with you. And that's what they did. And sometimes that people will do that too. Hey, you're going to need a crock pot. Take it with you now. I know you're having a party in a month for your kids. Take it with you. We always do that. Women always think ahead, right? You know what I mean. As a busy mom, you're always thinking ahead too. So, all right, so that's another thing we do. That is basically how you really keep the budget down when you have to throw a party for a lot of people, especially if you're doing it in your backyard, in your house. And it is so nice when everybody pitches in. It's just really a blessing. So this is what you want to think about for your 4th of July party. do you have people that can help you out and are willing? Do you have that huge family where you could say, hey, if I buy the buffet table, will you buy it too? One, too, so we have two of them and we can always take care of each other whenever each of us has a party? I know when I need a buffet table, I know where to go. I have my own, but I always need a second one. I'm going down the block to my friends to get it. I'm always going there. And they're always happy to let me borrow that buffet table. So this is just some of the things I want you to think about for throwing your party, because this really helps to cut down a lot of expenses, but also I think it also helps bring the family closer together. And it keeps the family closer together because you know you're having the next party, you know it's coming up, you know who's having it, you're always willing to help out. I mean, even the huge families, they're in the kitchen, you're running around, everybody's asking, can I help? The women are always asking, can I help? Can I help? Can I help? That's the way the families are. Now, and I just wanted to mention to you before I forget, I am closing my membership club from July 1st to July 18th. I have got some one-on-one kitchen consulting to do. I have busy moms that want to get their pantries organized, their kitchens organized. They want to get it done. So I will be doing that. So if you're in the membership group, you get the free consultation, 30-minute consultation. That's a $47 value. You already get that. So if you want to, hop in that group now so you get the free consultation. Because I'm going to be devoting the 2 weeks to getting all those consultations done. Because I've also got, not only in the membership groups, but I got other people that want consultations too. And I'm going to get that done. So, now, come Thursday, we will be talking a little bit more. We're going to do like the major, I guess you want to call it, checklist. We're going to run down and make sure we've got everything ready to go. That's going to be the 1st of July. That we're going to be summing it up real fast to make sure you've got everything in place to have your perfect backyard barbecue party. Thank you, Busy Mom, and I'll see you later. Bye.